What is going on, guys? My name is Martin and welcome to my yet another new video. So recently I've made a quick little unboxing video of my brand new DJI Ronin S. If you haven't seen it yet, go and check it out. I'll put the link somewhere here and also down into the description of this video. Well, I have been using the DJI Ronin S for a while now, and I have to tell you that I'm really happy using it. I used it on a couple of shoots and it performed like a beast. However, there's one downside to the Ronin S, and that downside is this hard case. So it looks great, it feels great, and I believe that it's really safe to carry your Ronin S around inside of this case. However, when it comes to convenience on set, this hard case sucks. Every time you want to carry your Ronin S around inside of this case, you will need to deal with this. And by this, I mean the inner layout of this case. So basically, whenever you want to take out your Ronin S out of this box, you will need to rebalance your camera from scratch. And that means losing your precious time on set. But to be fair, I'm going to challenge myself now. I'm going to grab this good old Canon 60D with the 18-55mm kit lens, and I'm going to balance it on my Ronin S for the first time. I'm really curious how long will it take me to balance a camera that I've never balanced before on my Ronin S. So with this challenge, I would like to find out whether it's convenient to set up your gimbal on set every single time. So let's not waste any more time, let's throw the clock on the screen and let's get into it. Well, it didn't take too long to find a perfect balance for this camera. However, I still do not find it really convenient to set up my gimbal from scratch anytime I want to transport myself from one location to another. So if you are using the DJI Ronin S and you want to be more convenient with your gimbal, I've got three options for you. So your first option is actually to buy another case. You can buy something like a Pelican case with customizable inner layout. With this kind of case, you can shape out the inner layout according to the settings of your gimbal. So this way, you will actually have to balance your camera only once, and then you can store your gimbal without changing any settings. Your second option is actually to write down or remember the settings of your gimbal. On each axis of the gimbal there is ruler with marks, and you can write down or remember those marks, so you will be able to rebalance your camera much faster. However, you will need to remember those settings or write them down, for example, into your smartphone. But your smartphone can run out of the battery or can be stolen in the worst case, and then you will need to rebalance your camera from scratch again. Your last option is actually to carry your gimbal as it is. You will have to balance your camera beforehand, and then you can transport it, for example, on the backseat of your car. However, I do not recommend to do this because these things are not the cheapest and you don't want to risk any damage to it. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I would really like to hear down in comments your experiences with carrying your Ronin S around from one location to another. I would also like to hear some tips from you guys on how you are dealing with this downside of the Ronin S. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, it really makes a difference for me, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!